opportunity again. Thank you so much sa mga tumutulong sa pagpapagamot ko. Mami Nene, PR, and Roblin for taking care of me always. And here at the, what do you call this, honey? What do you call that place here?
Huh?
Mary, what?
St. Mary's.
St. Mary's School. Okay. To my child, son, my only hijo, Aiden Timothy de la Cruz Pablo, but now it's officially Cornales because I'm not married, but she's always say about that I'm his wife. Thank you for the gift. And okay, it's a haunted, but it's good. Like Tagalog, yeah, I'm fine. I'm so sorry. The fluency of me Tagalog. Ang hirap mag-Tagalog kasi UK passport is a must. UK passport in Euro, USD. Okay, I'm applying. Thank you so much, Mommy Nene. You're such a strong woman and independent again for your loss. I mean, pareho. Malangit na lang yung kaluluwa. What you mag-say as always walking, but I have vertigo. The bipolar when it's valproic acid. Okay. Tagalog. Ang aming almusalin ngayon ay my braces. Okay. Can't find my food fair overside. Riverside, Riverdale. Serpent. Okay. Bawal mag-happy ng basura. Okay, that's good. But this is nine. But I can't press a must.
Mas malapit.
Tanginan ko talaga.
Galing. Kayo na pakitay na ha.
Teka lang.
Abangan. Buti mga putang ina.
Okay.
Kaya pa dito ka napadaan. Maligil lang kami ng puti na. Bilis na dito.
Teka lang. Sige.
Okay.
Thank you, Kuya Koy.
Tumatawag pa nga kami, baby. Nandun kami sa poblasyon. At ano ko sana kung naayari mo sa kain. Eh, hindi sinagot eh. Talagang mamimili lang kami. Yung hindi lang bagyo eh.
It's a Thursday.
Pinapadaming bili namin. Okay.
Bawal naman. Protection.
Hoy!
Ang dami yung paupahan, Kuya Kokoy. Ang dami yun ang paupahan din sa... Ano yun, Napacorville? Ano yung side from that? Melia, ano yun? Lemerville.
Oo. Ano? Bago
Alas
mag-alas.
4, bago mag-alas 4. Ito.
Oo,
Kuya,
bike
kape tayo.
Papawis ka.
Kuya Kokoy, kape.
Alin?
Coffee.
Yung likod ko. Ah?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kape, mamaya. Miss Goddard, thank you. Protection. Salamat.